Hello everyone, my name is Juan Moore and I head up the EC&O practice here at B4 Consulting, and I'm here today to talk with you about SAP's commercial project management. Over the next 5 minutes I'm going to tell you a little bit about B4 Consulting and give you a CPM overview, talk about companies that run CPM and why they run CPM, and then we'll finish up with a conversation about how CPM may be the right fit for your organization. So B4 Consulting has been in business for over 20 years. We're an SAP consultancy, and we are the CPM experts for SAP in North America. We have over 30 years of combined project systems and CPM experience, and we were part of the development group that helped with ramp-up testing as well as QCing the solution from SAP. So what is commercial project management? It's an extension of the SAP Business Suite that provides an integrated front-end and back-end solution for SAP companies that run project systems. It allows real-time tracking of project profitability and productivity, and it gives you a holistic monitoring capability of project issues and change management. CPM also accelerates the successful project completion process. So a couple of things that it does is it eliminates the project scope creep, avoiding those unplanned expenses and cost overruns. It avoids the unnecessary delays. The anticipation of changes before they happen is one of the things you can do because of some of the visibility that you get with CPM. And some of the companies that run CPM, what's the makeup? It's companies that actually have a project-based services component, whether they be in construction, life sciences, professional services. And one of the key customer bases that we've seen is owners that are managing internal capital projects. And so if there's a capital projects total portfolio span of over $200 million, then CPM is probably a pretty good fit for you. System requirements is SAP ERP 6.0, Enhancement Pack 6 or higher, and the use of project systems. So why run CPM? Well, one of the things that we've seen is the capability to get 1 to 2% savings on overall capital spend. Typical time to value is 3 to 5 months from a CPM implementation, and you get an increased ROI on your SAP investment. And on average, CPM delivers $5 million in savings on $500 million worth of capital spending. So if you can relate to some of these bullet points here of project managers wasting time searching for information, the lack of project transparency across the organization, the inability to meet project budgets due to inaccurate planning and forecasting, then we should talk. Because some of the things that B4 can do is perform an assessment of your capital project processes, validate your SAP installation to make sure that it's at the right levels for CPM. We can perform a CPM fit analysis, making sure that there's a really good fit, and then we can propose a high-level CPM implementation plan that fits the makeup of your organization and where you are from a project maturity standpoint. So once again, if you can relate to some of the things that I've talked about from a CPM perspective and are willing to consider maybe a fit assessment or looking at a CPM implementation plan, then let's talk. Here's my information on how I can be reached, and I thank you again for the opportunity and would love to work with you on a CPM implementation in the future. Thanks.